Everybody, I'm in my sister's room. I picked up some kind of bread-looking toy thing, so I'm gonna throw it at my brother playing Wii. It's gonna be hilarious if he cries.
Ow! Jacob! Jacob, what the heck? Ow! Jacob, what the heck? Ow! Ow!
Oh my god, all I did was barely slap you. You little faker.
Ow! My eye! Ow! Seriously, that hurts. Ow!
Oh my god, forget you.